The red light blinking on your Victrola record player indicates an error, often related to the tone arm or power supply. This safety mechanism prevents damage during playback. A flashing red light commonly signals a stuck or misaligned tone arm, which might display as error code E1 or similar on newer models. A solid red light could indicate a power supply issue, stylus damage, or belt slippage. The primary solution is a soft reset. Unplug the player for 30 to 60 seconds to fully discharge the capacitors. Then plug it back in, ensuring the tone arm is in the resting position. If the issue persists, try a hard reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. According to expert repair technicians, most errors are preventable with basic upkeep. Now let's explore the common causes behind the red light blinking error on your Victrola record player and the advanced fixes you can apply. The most common causes stem from user errors, such as improper shutdown procedures or dust buildup on the stylus. According to community reports, these account for more than 70% of red light blinking problems. To address dust accumulation, clean the stylus regularly using a carbon fiber brush to gently remove debris. Follow up with an anti-static cloth to eliminate static charge that can interfere with playback. Regular cleaning is essential for maintaining optimal performance and preventing future errors. If resetting doesn't resolve the issue, check for firmware updates through the Victrola app or website. These updates often calibrate tone arm sensors and address software glitches. Recent firmware patches have been particularly effective, reducing error rates by an estimated 20 to 30% based on user reports. When basic resets and cleaning don't work, inspect the drive belt for slippage or wear. A worn belt can cause the red light error by disrupting proper motor function. Replacement belts are inexpensive, typically costing $5 to $10, and community forums report a 90% success rate for this fix. For power-related red light issues, first ensure the player is properly plugged in and the outlet provides adequate voltage. If problems continue, use a multimeter to measure voltage output. Faulty connections or insufficient power can cause voltage drops that trigger the error indicator. Community forums like Reddit's r/vinyl are excellent resources for user-shared troubleshooting solutions. Members frequently share successful fixes, including belt replacements and tone arm lubrication techniques. Surveys show that 82% of users rate these DIY approaches as highly effective. Remember, forceful resets are not recommended as they can cause further damage to your player. For warranty-covered units, professional calibration is advised. Repair specialists handle hundreds of similar cases each year and can provide comprehensive diagnostics.